thinking about upgrading your kitchen in 2025? Get ready for the Cosori Iconic review, the stainless steel air fryer that finally combines stunning looks with incredible cooking performance. This isn't just another kitchen appliance. The Cosori Iconic redefines elegance with its premium stainless steel design, a refreshing change from typical plastic air fryers. You'll love its vintage-inspired curves and easy-to-clean exterior, making it a true countertop showpiece that complements any high-end kitchen. But it's not just pretty. We tested its 6.5 quart capacity, with everything from frozen fries to roasted chicken drumsticks, delivering consistently crisp and juicy results every time. The innovative VSync app and smart controls make cooking even easier, allowing you to send preset temperatures and modes from your phone. Forget scrubbing. The non-stick basket and crisper plate are completely dishwasher safe, a massive time saver for busy cooks. And here's the game-changing kicker. It boasts an amazing 5-year warranty, far exceeding the industry standard for small kitchen appliances, offering unparalleled peace of mind for your investment. While it's a premium appliance at $249, its iconic design, stellar cooking performance, and incredible warranty make it a standout choice for anyone serious about their kitchen. Don't miss out on this ultimate kitchen upgrade. Check the description below for links to get your Cosori Iconic today and transform your cooking experience in 2025.